Welcome to a new video from Do It Alone and Yourself. Nice that you switched on again after such a long time. Unfortunately, for several months I was not able to present a few new projects to you. It is all the more enjoyable to have you here again. Thanks. But now, back to today's project. As you could see in the intro, this time it is a wooden wall that has been processed with a so-called whitewash function. Here, the white paint is painted on the previously painted and already dried background paint and immediately peeled off again with a Japanese spatula. The result is breathtaking and unique, and with a few little tricks, this is not that difficult to achieve. For a better effect and a nicer look, I recommend using wood with a rough surface. I was lucky and found wooden beams already assembled in the waste, which I first painted with the background color. The background color should be rather dark, so that the whitewash effect can then come out better. I decided on the colors nut brown, anthracite, grey blue and wood color. After you have painted all of your wooden beams with these colors, you should of course let them dry first. Then spread the white paint on it and remove it immediately with the spatula. What is happening here? The spatula will peel off all of the white paint except for the paint that was left in the rough spots. In addition, there is also a smear effect which helps to have this washed out white look. Of course, it is also possible to work directly on the wood without the background color. Since I prefer to have a wall that should be a mixture of different colors, I first separated each individual wooden beams from each other so that I could hang them up again on the wall separately. To avoid injuries, you should definitely deburr every interface. After I had created space to work, I had to keep the height of the ceilings in order to be able to mount vertical slatted frames at a distance of 30 to 40 centimeters. I then started assembling the individual beams in the middle of the wall. Before each attachment, I'll weight them out before I attach them to the vertical slats with screws. If you liked the video and would like to continue enjoying such videos in the future, subscribe to the channel and press the doorbell button. If you want to suggest improvements, please use the comment function. Stay safe and see you soon. Your Do It Alone and Yourself.